Period poop. Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this Sensational Cloud9 wig. It's the Swiss lace and it's in the style ZELENA. Okay, so it's pretty easy. There's not going to be a lot of manipulation to the wig. We're just going to be tinting the lace, cutting off the excess lace, and just plopping it onto our head with molding it with some mousse. So the first thing, right now I'm just showing you the wig itself straight out of the pack. It comes pre-plucked, which is why we're able to do all of this that I just mentioned. The lace isn't really thick in density, you know, so it just doesn't look like a helmet straight out of the pack. And they also have some baby hairs going on there. The baby hairs are kind of long, so I do recommend cutting them a bit. I barely cut mine because of the look I was trying to go for. I was trying to get that natural hairline look without much manipulation, without a lot of baby hairs or anything like that. So the wig comes with 3 combs in there as well, 2 at the sides, 1 in the back for security. And something that I must know, we're going to be installing this wig glueless. No glue, no heat, no bleaching, no plucking, none of that. Just, it's going to be a quick and easy style. When you need to get out, you just pop it onto your head. Well, even though we're going to be taking the easy way out and installing this wig, there are some alterations that must be made. We're going to be tinting the lace with our foundation. You can use your foundation, your shade, or even 1 to 2 shades darker. Just get your makeup brush and just blend that out. Just blend it everywhere on the lace of the wig. You can also use a concealer, or I recommend even powder, but I don't recommend powder as much because it does seep through. So after using the concealer, the foundation, you're going to seal that in with a holding spray. I'm using the Ebin. You can also use the Got To Be glue holding spray, and you're going to wait until the spray is dry before you install the wig. That will just prevent it from rubbing off. So a pressed powder could also work as well, as I mentioned earlier, but not highly recommended. But if it's all that you have, go ahead. I also must note that this wig wears really well. I think this was about 4 to 5 days after I first installed it. I wore it out and it was looking okay to me for the event. The hairline is basically plucked, as I mentioned before, and it's in the color FLAMBOYAGEMOCHA, in case you're wondering. So this is just me showing you the lace and giving you a better close-up of the lace and the hair quality. Yesterday's price is not today's price, because I don't remember synthetic hair being this good back in the day. So let's get into the install.
what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else, let me what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Let it last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I know you ain't gotta talk.